One of the things that your book talked about in chapter 22 was the implementation of marketing strategies. And in that section, they talked about marketing synergy and R&D and manufacturing synergies. Let's spend a couple of minutes talking about that idea. So the real question is, where are the marketing synergies and where are the R&D synergies, and the idea and what is the ideal marketing product grid for a company? All right, and so what this synergy approach talks about is different market segments and different products. And the idea is we're going to match our products up with particular segments. And so the question is, how much differentiation do we have in products, and in how many different markets can we serve with those? There are basically 5 different approaches to our alternative strategies for a company to pursue in terms of market and product synergy. And those 4 are market product concentration, a market specialization, a product specialization, selective specialization, and full coverage. So let's talk a little bit about each of those. And in this case, the book used the example of a lawnmower manufacturer. All right, and so a market product concentration would mean that we're going to focus on one market segment with one product. And we're going to use a highly focused strategy. Remember, we talked about generic competitive strategies. We talked about a focused strategy. This would be an example of the implementation of a focused generic competitive strategy. We might have a market specialization strategy where we focus on one particular market and we offer multiple products to that market to make sure that we serve all the people that are in that market segment. Third would be a product specialization. That is, we might have all the different versions of a particular type of product. For instance, you might be a cola manufacturer, and so what you have is all the different kinds of colas. Regular cola, diet cola, cherry-flavored cola, caffeine-free cola, caffeine-free cherry-flavored cola, vanilla-flavored cola, chocolate-flavored cola, on and on and on. The 4th approach would be called selective specialization, and that is where we maybe have one different type of product for each different segment. And we go in and selectively decide which markets we're going to pursue with which individual products. And then finally, if you're a company like General Motors or one of the big automobile manufacturers, you might have what's called a full coverage strategy. That is where you try to meet the needs of every customer with multiple products. Once again, that would be referred to as a full coverage strategy, where we're trying to have synergies based on all the different products that we can offer and all the different markets we can pursue. So once again, in summary, it's market product focus concentration, a market specialization, a product specialization, a selective specialization, and